Hello, if you wonder if Redmi Note 14 does have charger, let me quickly show you. Let's put this phone aside and let me quickly open up the box. Alright, here is this box with accessories. And let me quickly open this up, and right here we have the charging cable Type-C and USB-C. We have the instruction and warranty card. And right here we have the silicone case, and there is actually no charging adapter, as you can see. And at the back of this box, let me quickly show you. At the back of this box we can find information what charger to use, and actually there's also information about that there is no charging adapter actually, but we can use the charging adapter from 10 watts to 45 watts, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically the information. Quick answer for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.